Okay guys, welcome back into another tutorial video. So today we are going to do a tutorial on how to do InterVLAN routing. And so first I'm gonna tell you what is InterVLAN routing. So as I told you in the previous video that if you guys set a VLAN like this, like here, you can't ping each other uh, except if it has the same VLAN. So for example, if you want to ping VLAN 10 PC that is in VLAN 10 to VLAN 20, you cannot ping each other because you're on the different VLAN. Why? Because VLAN will isolate the part of this PC, so they cannot um, communicate with PC that is outside this VLAN. So let me show you this. If you ping with the same VLAN, and this if you ping with the different VLAN, as you can see it says failed. Now if you want uh, if you want all of this PC to get to can get communicate each other, so what you want to do is the configure InterVLAN routing between this PC. So how does it works? Let me tell you. So first we need a router, and then connect the router to the switch. Oh wait, let me turn on the port labels. Okay, like this. um, so the VLAN will if you ping right to VLAN 20 to VLAN 22, it will look like this. Wait. So the packet will send to the switch, and then the switch will send to the destination, and then the destination will give a reply to the to the sender. And if you want to do an InterVLAN routing, you want to make what is called oh yeah, sub interface, which the sub interface will be the way for the packet of the VLAN to go to the other VLAN. So if you want to send VLAN from if you want to send a packet from PC14 that is in VLAN 20 to PC16 that is in VLAN 10, the packet will go to the switch, and the switch will send to the router, and then the router will decide to where is the destination, because only the router knows where is the destination, and then the destination will tell the switch to go to the destination, and then the switch will send the packet, and it will do the same. The the PC16 will send a reply, and then it will go back to router, to switch, and to the PC14, and then the ping will be successful. So that's how InterVLAN works. And so we're gonna get into the configuration. First, go to the router and open the CLI. No, and then enable to go to global configuration, type this, and first thing first, you want to turn on the interface with no shutdown, and wait a little bit until it turns green, or we can just fast forward. And then once it turns into green, you want to go make a sub interface. This is how you make sub interface. So the interface that is connected to the switch is fast Ethernet 0/0. So the sub interface that you are gonna make is the sub interface of fast Ethernet 0/0. So this is how you do it: 0/0.10. And then there will be a message that tells you the fast Ethernet 0/0.10 change state to up, and then the protocol on the interface change state to up. So what you want to do here is to type encapsulation dot 1q10 and add an IP address. Make sure that it's one network with the VLAN 10. I'm gonna choose the very last network, the very last IP address of the network. Okay, sorry, there is a little bit interrupt. Okay, we'll go back to this, and after you type this, you make sure type the subnet mask 2, and then do the same thing for VLAN 20, which is we make a new sub interface. This is gonna be the way for VLAN 20 packets to go sent through, and it's just the same, except we change the 10 into 20. Encapsulation.1q20 and IP address 192.198.22.154, 255, 157. Type the subnet mask and done. So we already done with the router, and now we gonna go to switch and go to global configuration mode, and we want to trunk this fast Ethernet 6. What is trunk? Trunk will allow this switch, this interface to have a multiple VLAN, and to have multiple VLAN in this in this in this interface. And once you do the trunk, we need to go to the interface 6 and switch mode trunk, and then next we're gonna go to the PC and go to desktop IP configuration and change the default gateway to the IP that we set back on the router. So for VLAN 20 it will be 192.198.20 and 254, and same with the other PC. Like this, and same with VLAN 10, except we change the 20 into 10, like this and like this. Okay, now once you do all of that, you want to test ping on this PC that it's on the different VLAN, like this. If it's failed on the first or second, it's okay, because it will work at the second or the third. See, it works. Now if we go to simulation and we play it, The packet will go to switch and it will be sent to the router, and the router will go decide where the packets will go. And then PC16 and go back to switch and go back to router again, and the router will go send it to PC14, and the ping is successful. Okay, so I think that's it for today's tutorial. And thanks for watching, and I hope it's useful. See you on later video.